Hey, what's up, my friends? Today's my first school holidays. So let me just get some style. We're going to Willow Bank. So it's kind of a zoo, and I hope you've been there. So I'll see you there. 3, 2, 1. What's up, my friends? I got my pie. But today we are here now. Watch until the end to see the end part. So first we are gonna feed some eels. I'll see you to the eels. Guys, look, we are entering Willow Bank. Look, we have entered Willow Bank. Like I told you at the start, let's get the eels food, let's get the ducks food, and let's get the cows food. Found it, look, we found it. Guys, this is the map. Look how big it is. It tracks you where you have to go. Wow, let's go. This is the food, and it's just like lettuce and meat because they eat meat. So guys, it was their lunchtime, so they told us first they have to feed it, and then I will. Oh!
Huge.
Oh my god! It's my turn to feed. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Oh! They just come out. Wow. Guys, let's feed the eels. Oh my gosh. A lot of eels. Look at those big ones. Look, let's. Let's walk on the bridge. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm feeding the deers. Oh my gosh, Muddy Creek Hut. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, what's this? China geese. Look at this. Ready? China geese. Look, so beautiful, isn't it? Oh my gosh. We're walking through here. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Where is it? Oh, I found it! Oh my gosh. I'm scared from that emoji. Look, it tells you guys that I'm scared. Look at it. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Look at that. Here are the birds. Oh my gosh, I want to see them. Have you seen them? I found one. Let's see if you can. They're right over there. Oh my gosh. Do you see it? Keep walking, guys. Keep walking. Oh, this was my favorite part. They are just hitting my hand. The emu is recovering after minor medical pressure. And they said he said hello, and he's very nice. Hello, I'm saying hello. Oh, he's heard me. We're friends now. Friends. Look, Emu wants to play with me. Look, he loves when I give him food. We're on the bridge, and what is this? Chimpanzee! Look, it's a chimpanzee. Oh, monkey. Oh my gosh. So funny. So funny. That's so funny. Oh, did you see one? It is walking down. And And I saw some fishes in there. And look at this. Birds. Can you see the birds? Let's see if you can see some. Oh, I found one. Look right over there. I think they have fighted. Oh my gosh. I saw one too. A capybara. Capybara. Oh my gosh. I'm tired. Oh my gosh. So tired. They're just standing and tired. Glitches. Oh my gosh. What's this? Oh, a red pelicant. Oh my gosh. Did you see that? Let me out. Said let me out. I just came close and doing nothing to him. Oh my gosh. I didn't touch him because it's dangerous to touch him. Because if you touch him, he has to feed. Look at that! Oh my gosh! Did you see? I was at the otters. Now I'm at the ducks. Oh my gosh! Heritage New Zealand. What's this? What is this? Okay. Oh my gosh! Pigs. What kind of pig? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! So funny. Look at their teeth. So funny. They have 2 teeth only. How do they eat with 2 teeth? Oh, I'm really scared of these chickens. Oh my gosh, look at their eyes. Oh my gosh, I'm seriously frightened. Real frightened. Tortoise. Oh my, tortoise. Oh my gosh, it's a tortoise. Nice to meet you. It's like so excited to meet lizard. Oh my gosh, I think that's what they eat. Green iguana. Where's a iguana? Okay. Did you see that? He's lazy. Oh my gosh, horse. Horsey time. Horsey. It says no feeding. If it says no feeding, that means no feeding. Oh my gosh, look at that horse. Oh, I love this horsey. Oh, they're not hungry. I can make that face. Oh my gosh. I can make that face. Oh my gosh, look at that. It says do not feed to that guy that's right at the end because I think he's dangerous. And they said do not feed. Oh, sheep. Hey, watch this part that I always got scared. I was like this and I thought there was a sheep in my head. I think there was a sheep in my head. And I started running away. I thought it was sheep, guys. I thought it was sheep. Aw, look how cute that rabbit is. Aw. Then we got to a dairy for some ice cream. I'm still choosing. I'm holding the camera, so I'm just going to get some ice cream and then I'm gonna pay and then you will see what will happen. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. Look at this. My dad's gonna hold the camera. Rocky Road and Fuju. I love Fuju because I've had it a lot of times and even in my mom's work. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm still holding the camera and this is Fuju and my dad's gonna show you Rocky Road. And are you ready for the special part? Hahan's gonna eat Rocky Road. Guys, look, Hahan's eating ice cream. We got some spare photos to show if you want to see them. These. Thank you. Guys, look at this. My dad's helping me. I love you, Dad. Look at this. Wow, I'm doing some great work. Look at Han now. Saying so cool. Teddy. Guys, there are natural New Zealand wild birds in here. Look at that shape. Really big. Taki and Kiwi. Guys, we We are going to Taki. Look, Taki. Oh, I found it. Can you find it? Oh, it's so tricky to find. Look, it's right over there, that black thingy. Now, guys, the no noise part. It's really quiet in the kiwi place, and it's so dark because they don't come out in the morning. They come in the night. Oh my gosh, so quiet. You can't even see anything. There's street lights on there. Shh. We are coming out now. Now we can speak loud. I saw two kiwis. Look at this. What is this? He's tired. Wow. Okay. Here's an electrical kiwi, and there's the live photos. Oh my gosh. I'm walking in the bridge. It's so scary. Oh my gosh. Guys, look. That's one of my class in my school. Look at that. Yo, I can't find it. Can you guys find it? Oh my gosh. I'm searching everywhere. Oh my god. I can't even find it. Oh, such a scary. Oh, I love this cave because it's kind of scary and it's really beautiful. Look at this. These are the birds that were extinct. That means they don't exist. They died. And so look at these ones. Big penguin. Look at that. And there's a letter. Should I read that? For a Vantage Day. If you want to read it, you can read it. Look at this. Before the end, I took some pictures from that. And look, for some sharing is caring, I just give this to some unknown person. You know, guys, sharing is caring for everybody. And look at that. I'm chasing the chicken. And there's some yummy food. Oh my gosh. And they have a shop. And it's a souvenir. And look at that. Oh my gosh. My dad wanted to be in the video. And look at this. My baby's sleeping. And so, guys, subscribe and share this video for all your friends. And time for a hug to my mom and dad. Share this video to all your friends. Subscribe, like. See you at the end. Bye-bye. This video has to be super famous. We are at McDonald's and this is a treat for me for thanking my mama. I got my order and look at this. I got a Happy Meal. Oh my god. Thank you, my dad. Subscribe, like, share this video for all.